So the last time we stop here, right? Frequently asked question, right? We done on according here. So in this time here, we want to create uh, something is called a testimonial, or sometimes it's called a instruction, right? No, our instructors, right? How to create instructor. So let's close this ask question here. Let's jump here. So to do that, we need to create section in class padding dash 5, right, dash bg background, in primary background primary, right. Wanna add id instructor instructors. Good, perfect. So right now here we done as usual. Almost I said we want to our website to be maintained on center. So to be a website on center, just you need container con sorry container. Perfect. So right now here, let's add h1 or h2. All right, our instruct our instructors. Perfect. Let's save to see on browser. So that's perfect. So we need this text to be in center here, and also change the color. So to be that so to do that, we need a class inside of h2. So text to be text center, text wide, text wide sorry text wide. Also we need the margin bottom dash 5. Let's save. Yeah, perfect. So let's complete other things. So right now here we want to create two things, row and columns. So let's here do items, items one. Perfect. Call a row. Good. Inside we need to be gap, right? Gap between picture. We need a gap between picture, right? So we need dash g dash 4. So here what we want to do right now here, need also a column, right? Column col dash medium, right? Column dash lg dash 3. Perfect. So right now here we need a card, we need to add card. So I want to do it just right. You can copy a card on here, right? You can copy here, right? You can go here, components. Here's a card here, right? You can copy here. You have card image, card title, card image, card body. So but in this time here, in this tutorial, just I wanna create by myself, right? Just you have to learn how to do that by yourself. Not just everything you want to copy and paste, but you have to try to write code with your hand, right? So that's the way you can learn. So we need df here, card 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 background light bg dash li GHT, right? Some space here. Okay, so right here we want to add image. Okay, we want to add image. No, card body, right? Card, card body, card dash body. Mm, card dash body, right? Card dash body, text to be center. Text center, perfect. And now here, guys, it's the time to add picture, right? You can add picture on your folder, but here I want to add picture right by links by HTTP image, right? Do it as I did here, guys. HTTPS dash, right? Mm, here random random user random user dash me, right, slash API, right, slash slash portfolio port porter T R A I T S slash man slash maybe 10, right? 10 is a number of the picture. GPG, right? What else here? You also want to add class round good round start maybe, yeah, round start. MD is margin bottom or mid square, right? In no margin bottom 3, good. Let's save it. Wow, that's good, but we missed something here. I think we missed something here, right? Let's go back to see, is there no picture support here? Okay, good. So here also let's H3 John Smith, John Smith, change name, right? Let's change the name here, John Smith, good. Also let's add class here. Oh, class correct title, correct dash title, margin bottom dash 3, good. So after that what you need here, we need paragraph card dash text, good. Lorem maybe 10, save it, right, good. So what else here? So I think in this time here you want to add a link, right? You want to add link here, right? Icon hashtag here, good. Check here. I class to be bi. It's mean uh, uh, bootstrap icons bi, right? Bi dash maybe Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. Text be center. Text be dark. Text dark. Good. Mix dash one. Right. Good. Let's uh, let's save that guy. Right. Let's save that here. Yeah, here we are. We got it. So here we miss a picture here, right? Let's check on that icon there, right, to see what we missed there, right? So in order to do that here, random http random root user perfect I me api vr. Yes, it's a problem here. bor, that's a problem here. Let's save. I think we got it. Wow, so that sounds perfect, guys. So right now here, what we can do is we want to paste it 3 times or 5 times here, right? Good. We'll copy this one. Yeah, we will copy this one 3 times, right? 2, 3, right? Maybe 4. Well, I can keep it here. Let's save. Wow, perfect. I like it, guys. So it seems that something goes wrong here. Not right. Okay, so right now here, we want to copy this. We want to copy this column here. How many times? So I think we're gonna copy this 5 times, right? Gonna copy this one here. From here you can copy. Okay, here. 2. Let's save to see first before we go on other. Control S. Wow, that's perfect. The same thing. 3, 4, 5. Let's save. Control S. Perfect, guy. We got it. So I think in this case here, I don't need the last one here. Why? Because it's enough. Delete. Just let's save this. Right? Yeah, that sounds perfect here. I like it, guys. So now here it's the time to change other picture here. We want to add here ladies and some guys. We want to also want to change all those here. We want to change them. Okay, good. So right now here, what we can do here, we need to change a number of picture here. Okay, so number 1 was man here, right? Number 10. So his name is called John Smith. John Smith, guys. Sorry, John Smith. So number 2 could be woman, and instead of a man here, just